Hi class, this is Sister Dorman, and today I am talking about fragments. In lesson 2 we discussed them, but I want to just clarify what they are. So the fragment is a group of words that do not make a complete sentence. This can be confusing. So there are two main parts to make a sentence complete. You need the subject and something called a verb phrase. Some of you may know it as the predicate. And those two parts equal the sentence. A subject typically is what we call a noun. And there's 4 different types of nouns. It can be a person, such as Jane, he, she, a place, like a location, building, a park, an office. It can be a thing, such as a pencil, book, cat, or a general idea that cannot be seen, such as justice, anger, love. Okay, so let's start off by making a sentence. Let's just write Jane, okay? So that is the first part of our sentence. Next, we need a verb phrase. Now, the verb phrase is our verb plus a few more words. So I've just quickly put up a few ideas. Verbs are things that require action, like running, wrote, skip. These words right here in this section, to be, are called helping verbs. They cannot act on their own. I cannot say Jane is. We need some other things to make it complete. So I just want to let you know that those to be or those helping verbs need other words to make it complete. All right? So let's continue making our sentence. Jane wrote. So this is our verb. And then to make it our predicate, we need to add more words. Jane wrote a wonderful story. Okay, so our predicate would be wrote a wonderful story. Jane is our subject. Now, the way you can tell if I've written a complete sentence or not is by using this phrase. Is it true that? So you put this phrase, is it true that, before anything that you've written. So I say, is it true that Jane wrote a wonderful story? And if that makes sense, then yes, it is a sentence. Now let's try something that is not a sentence, all right? It's common that I see students write things like, because he went there. Okay, so we have a capital B and a period. So that makes it complete, right? No, wrong. It is not complete. So let's try our trick and see if we can figure out why it's not complete. All right? Is it true that because he went there? So that phrase does not make sense. So we are missing, we do have a verb and he, but the phrase needs more. We didn't know why he went there. Because he went there, he was late for dinner. Now our sentence is complete because we've added a few more words to it. Okay, so if you are confused or don't know if you're writing a fragment, try this phrase. Put, is it true that before any phrase, and you will be able to tell if it is complete. If you have questions, let me know. Have a great day.